Are you sure? Who even sends 1,999 message?
Don, it's her birthday tomorrow. She was born in 1999, so it makes sense.
I love you, I love you, I love you. No, I don't have any more.
Don, if I die, write the rest of the I love yous. No, but I can make it so you want to write it at all.
Here we enter the number of messages we want to send. We write the message text here, In order to be able to stop the program, we write this section so that it can be stopped by pressing the Q key.
It's over! Seriously? Am I unemployed now? No, now you're just smarter.
Wow, is this a cyber attack?